I'm going to show how to make hyetograph. So for this, you have to arrange first discharge and precipitation by data like this, and you need to select this data and go to insert here, and from here just click here. Okay, after this this interface will pop up. After that, here you can see the precipitation is yellow color, so I'm going to change it to the column. Okay, now select on precipitation. We need to move it to the secondary axis. So for that, click here and just click on secondary axis. Now secondary axis is here. This is for the precipitation. Okay, now click here. We need to invert this to the reverse order, like upside down. So click here, and after that you need to go to the here, and just click here, dilutes in reverse order. So like this way you can create hyetograph. Now you can arrange and add your the access title from here. You have uh, access title here. This is for horizontal, and similarly access title here for the vertical, as well as secondary horizontal, primary horizontal. You from here you can arrange your the access title. So like this way you can create the hyetograph. And if you want to arrange the size of this one, just just go to the format here. Sorry, yes, and after that format pane, and fill border. Here are lots of options to change the color. You can change the color as well. And if you want to reduce the gap, then just click here, go here, and here is the axis option. So I'm going to increase it's like 60. So the size will be reduced like this way. So yeah, like this way you can create the hyetograph. I hope this video is very useful. Thank you so much for watching.